Welcome to the best picks. The best impact wrench is probably one of the most indispensable tools in any workshop, especially if you're tackling tough fastening jobs. Whether you're a seasoned mechanic or a dedicated DIYer, the raw power and efficiency of a high-torque impact wrench can significantly improve your workflow. This video dives deep into the Dewalt 1/2 high-torque impact wrench, exploring its features, performance, and why it might be the perfect addition to your tool collection. Number 5. Dewalt DCF 899B 20V Max XR Impact Wrench. This is the Dewalt 20V Max XR brushless impact wrench. It's a powerful tool designed for tough jobs. It delivers impressive performance and is built to last. This impact wrench provides up to 700 ft-lbs of maximum torque. This allows it to handle a wide range of fastening tasks with ease. It's perfect for demanding applications. It also boasts a max breakaway torque of 1200 ft-lbs. This feature helps to quickly loosen stubborn fasteners. It makes the job much easier. The impact wrench has a compact design, measuring only 8 to 13/16 inches in length. This allows it to be used in tight spaces. It increases maneuverability. It features multi-speed control with speeds of 0, 400, 1200, and 1900 revolutions per minute. This allows you to adjust the speed for various applications. It offers greater control. The tool includes a 1/2-inch anvil with a detent pin. This ensures secure socket retention. It also comes with an optional hog ring. It is equipped with an LED light that has a 20-second delay. This enhances visibility in dimly lit work areas. It improves accuracy. What we like. This impact wrench delivers impressive power with up to 700 ft-lbs of max torque and 1200 ft-lbs of breakaway torque. Its compact design makes it easy to maneuver in tight spaces, and the LED light with a 20-second delay ensures excellent visibility. If you're tackling automotive repairs or heavy-duty construction, this is the perfect tool for the job. What people say. Lugs were torqued to 90 ft-lbs, and with not even using the impact anvil the lug nuts came off. One pull of the trigger and with no ugga-dugga just spun them off. This impact wrench has plenty of power and it will do more than remove lug nuts. Tons of torque, takes off lug nuts with no problem. Built tough and feels solid in your hand. Battery life is great too. Number 4. Dewalt DCF 899M 120V Max XR Impact Wrench. This impact wrench delivers impressive power. It provides up to 700 ft-lbs of maximum torque. This makes it ideal for tough jobs. Need to remove stubborn fasteners? This tool has you covered. It offers up to 1200 ft-lbs of breakaway torque. Despite its power, it's designed for convenience. The tool has a compact design, measuring only 8 to 13/16 inches in length and weighing just 6.0 pounds. This makes it easy to handle in tight spaces. It offers versatile performance. The multi-speed control allows you to adjust the speed for various applications, with speeds ranging from 0 to 1900 revolutions per minute. It features a heavy-duty 1/2-inch anvil with a detent pin. This ensures secure socket retention. This feature enhances both safety and efficiency. It also includes a built-in LED light. The light has a 20-second delay, which improves visibility in dimly lit work areas. This feature helps you work more accurately. What we like. This kit offers the same high torque as the previous model, but with the added benefit of being even more lightweight. The multi-speed control allows for versatility in various applications. If you are looking for a powerful yet easy-to-handle impact wrench for extended use, this is the one for you. What people say. It is proudly made in the USA. The impact wrench has the sticker on top and in the upper right-hand corner of the box and on the side of the Dewalt storage bag, all as seen in the pictures and videos. It's heavy, which is good. It's an impact wrench. It has a lot of torque. Number 3. Dewalt 20V Max Cordless Impact Wrench Kit. This impact wrench delivers impressive power. It provides up to 1030 ft-lbs of max fastening torque and 1400 ft-lbs of max breakaway torque. It makes quick work of tough jobs. Take control with the 4-mode speed settings. The variable speed trigger allows for precision in various applications. It helps you get the job done right. This tool is designed to prevent over-tightening. It helps to avoid fastener runoff with its precision wrench control. This feature ensures accuracy and safety. The battery guard reduces wear and tear. It features a shock-absorbing battery-to-tool connection. This design helps to extend the life of the battery. Illuminate your workspace with the built-in LED work light. It provides visibility in dark areas. This feature enhances your ability to work in any environment. What we like. This impact wrench provides a massive 1030 ft-lbs of max fastening torque and 1400 ft-lbs of max breakaway torque, making it ideal for the toughest jobs. The 4-mode speed settings and precision wrench control give you unparalleled control. If you need maximum power and precision for heavy-duty tasks, you should consider this. What people say. The selectable torque is amazing and the tool feels solid. It works great and is actually just as powerful as my pneumatic impacts. The powerful torque made loosening the lug nuts a breeze, even those stubbornly tight ones, and the variable speed trigger allowed for excellent control and precision throughout the process. Number 2. Dewalt 20V Max XR 1/2-inch Impact Wrench. This 1/2-inch cordless impact wrench delivers up to 330 ft-lbs of fastening torque. It's powerful, yet weighs only 3.48 pounds. This tool is designed to get the job done efficiently. The new precision wrench control feature is included. In forward, it pauses before impacting to prevent over-tightening. In reverse, it lowers speed to prevent runoff. This impact wrench has 3-mode settings. These settings are designed to complete a variety of applications. It offers versatility for different tasks. It features a Dewalt-built brushless motor. This motor provides increased efficiency and runtime compared to brushed models. You can expect longer use from a single charge. The variable speed trigger provides speed control. This allows you to adjust the tool's performance to match the task at hand. It gives you more control. An LED light is included to illuminate dimly lit areas. This helps you to see what you are working on. It improves visibility in challenging conditions. The tool has a compact and lightweight design. This design enhances comfort when working in tight spaces. It makes the tool easier to handle. What we like. This impact wrench features the innovative precision wrench control, preventing over-tightening and runoff. Its compact and lightweight design, combined with a brushless motor, enhances efficiency and runtime. If you value precision and ease of use in tight spaces, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. This impact in particular I use for removing wheels mostly. When using the 5.0 Ah battery, it spins my 90 feet.lb. Lug nuts right off with no hesitation. The precision wrench setting is absolutely perfect for removing and installing lug nuts. When removing, it uses full power to get them moving, then slows down to prevent runoff. When installing, it zips them down quickly, then pauses when they have seated and then shortly resumes at full strength. Number 1. Dewalt 20V Max XR 1/2 inches. Impact Wrench. This impact wrench delivers impressive power. It provides up to 1030 ft-lbs of fastening torque and 1400 ft-lbs of breakaway torque, making it ideal for demanding applications. Take control with the 4-mode speed settings. The variable speed trigger allows you to adjust the power to suit the task at hand, increasing your efficiency. This tool is designed to prevent over-tightening. The precision wrench control helps prevent fastener runoff, ensuring a secure and accurate result. The battery guard feature helps protect the battery. This shock-absorbing connection reduces wear and tear, so you can work longer. The built-in LED work light is a great feature. It illuminates dark workspaces, allowing you to see clearly and work safely. What we like. This impact wrench delivers a robust 1030 ft-lbs of max fastening torque and 1400 ft-lbs of max breakaway torque, ensuring it can handle demanding tasks. With 4-mode speed settings and precision wrench control, it offers exceptional control. If you need maximum power and precision for heavy-duty tasks, you should consider this. What people say. Great impact. Used a lot this last month, to drive 1-2 lag screws 3 to 8 long. It had no problem, and battery last most of the day. This makes removing and installing bolts and nuts a breeze. Stuck bolts nuts are no match for this. Works great on wheel lug nuts and fast, too. This impact is extremely impressive and it sure is the size and weight to show it. As long as you've got a 1-2 impact socket for it will take it off or put it on without a fuss. The selectable torque figure works rather well. I put on a whole lift kit saving hours simply using this thing. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.